Let me show you how to earn in US dollars and withdraw in South African rands without stress. Getting paid in US dollars whilst living in South Africa is one of the best financial moves you can make right now. In this video, I'll give you the full step-by-step guide to setting up your accounts, the platforms that actually work, and how to avoid crazy fees so you keep more of your money. But before we get into it, let me know in the comments section, would you rather earn in US dollars or in rands? Drop your answer in the comments below. I've even pinned a comment below where you can choose between rands and US dollars, and let's see where everyone stands. Now, why is it important to choose between rands and US dollars? The rand loses value every single year, and there are many global platforms out there that can pay you in US dollars that is more stable than the rand. If you want to grow your income and protect your finances, earning in US dollars is a must. It's not just some nice thing to do. So where exactly can you earn money in US dollars? I'm going to show you 4 platforms where you can be able to do this. But listen very carefully. Before you just learn those 4 platforms and then you come out of this video, make sure you watch this video up to the end, because lots of people sign up on these platforms, but then after doing months of work, they then realize that they can't withdraw their money, which means that they are basically working for free. So to avoid working for free and learning how you can actually withdraw the money and how you can withdraw that money in a way that allows you to pay less fees, make sure you watch the video up to the end, because I want to talk about that later. So now here are the 4 platforms that are working right now for South Africans. Number 1 are freelancing platforms. I'm talking about platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and Freelancer. Now, of course, there are many more platforms out there, but the point is that there are freelance platforms out there that allow you to sign up as a South African or anyone around the world, and you can find clients for yourself that are based in America who will pay you for your skills and your knowledge. Now, if you don't know what a freelancer platform is or what a freelancer is someone who basically gets paid for their skill sets. For example, maybe in your current job, you're working as a graphic designer. Rather than only being paid by your current employer, you can actually sign up on these platforms for free and then offer those same services to people around the world. And a lot of those people are Americans who have got US dollars. And if you do a great job for them, they'll be willing to pay you in US dollars. Now, I do have a full course on how to become a freelancer, and I will put a link to it in the description of this video. But let me know in the comments below if you want me to create a full detailed video on how to sign up on these freelance platforms and how to get your first client who will pay you in US dollars. The second type of platforms that work for South Africans, paying them in US dollars, are digital product platforms. Examples of these are Gumroad, PayHip, or simply having your own website using a platform like Creator HQ, which I talk about a lot on this channel. The idea here is that you're going to take your knowledge, your experiences, your skills, and turn them into digital products that you can sell to people who are in the US. When I say digital products, I mean information that is only passed online, and they are products that people actually buy because they're helping them solve specific problems. An example of this is I live in Cape Town, and a lot of people from America come and visit Cape Town for the first time, but they don't know what activities to do in Cape Town. So I created a small PDF guide that shows them the different activities that they can do. But here's the catch. I sell it to them for $10. I sell it for $10 on my website. And you might be thinking $10 is not a lot of money. Of course, if one person pays, it's not a lot of money. But because there are thousands and millions of people that come to Cape Town every single year, sometimes I can get maybe 40 to 100 sales in the space of a week to about a month. Now calculate for yourself how much that actually is. And also, I'm not limiting myself to just creating one digital product, but I've got lots and lots of different digital products that I sell. In my opinion, this is one of the best ways that anyone can make money online. If you see right here, this is one of my websites, and as you can see, I've earned over $17,000 by doing exactly this. In fact, I created a full training where I show people how to be able to do exactly what I do in just 5 days. It's called the Digital Product Breakthrough Challenge. And unfortunately, no, it's not for free. It costs $47 at the time I'm recording this video. And basically, it's a community where I teach people step by step what they need to do. And then I mentor them and coach them and give them the support that they need to get started. So if you're interested in that, the link is going to be in the description of this video. Sign up today and let me help you to be able to launch your own business where you'll be selling digital products. And trust me, yes, even complete beginners can do this. The third type of platforms that work for South Africans are affiliate networks. Affiliate networks are basically websites where you can sign up and you'll be allowed to promote other people's products. Examples of these are Digistore24, ClickBank, Impact.com, Amazon.com. The way it works is that you simply register on the platform and registration is for free. And once you've registered, you then choose different products that you can promote. It can be softwares, it can be books, it can be kitchen appliances, it can be computers, gadgets, you name it. You just choose whatever you want. Then once you found those products, you will be given a special link that if you share it on social media or on email or even on WhatsApp, and if someone buys that product on that website, they'll be able to tell that that product was bought by someone who was referred by you, and then they will give you a commission. Commissions vary from 10% to as high as 60 to 70%. And some products are cheap, like maybe $10, and then there's some products that are expensive, like $15,000. And imagine if you were to get a 50% commission of $15,000, how much money would you be making? Now, I've spoken about affiliate marketing a lot on this channel. You can check in the description also. I'll probably link to some of the other videos that you can watch that will show you how to get started. The fourth platforms that will pay you in US dollars are social media platforms. Platforms like YouTube, Twitter, Medium, and now even Facebook. The only thing that you just need to do is that you need to create content on these platforms, get monetized, and then you will start earning money from that. For example, this is a screenshot of my YouTube channel, as you can see, and I've earned over 20,000 US dollars by simply creating and posting videos on YouTube. So yes, YouTube is one of the best ways that you can also earn money online. But if you're shy to create videos, you are not forced to create video content. You can also use other platforms like Twitter that are also paying people. And I have a few friends who are making lots of money, in fact, way more than I am from that platform. So those are the 4 platforms that you can use to start earning money in US dollars. But before you log out of the video, the next thing that you need to know is, once I've earned the money in US dollars, how do I actually receive it so that I can start using it? And there are 3 basic platforms that you need to sign up for today that will help you to get paid in US dollars. And then later from those platforms, you then can transfer it directly into your bank account. But before we get into that, I want you to set a goal and let me know how much would you like to earn in dollars every single month. Comment your answer below, and who knows, maybe in a few months you'll come back to your comment and you see that what you were believing for has actually become true. Now, once you start earning in dollars, you need a way to receive that money, because these companies don't pay directly into your local bank account. You need what is called a gateway, and a gateway is just how you'll be receiving money. So here are the top 3 that South Africans can use. Number 1 is Wise. Simplywise.com. I've been using this platform for years now. And what I love about it is that it helps you to create bank accounts in different countries around the world, meaning that anyone can pay you into your bank account that's created by Wise, and then later you then can transfer that money straight into your local South African bank account. I'll also put a link in the description of this video that you can use to sign up for Wise. And then also make sure that you're a subscriber on this channel, because I'm going to be releasing a video soon showing you step by step how to sign up and create a Wise account. Platform number 2 is PayPal, and this is one of the most famous platforms out there. I also have been using PayPal for years now, and it's simple and easy for you to actually sign up for it. I'll link to a video right here where you can actually see how to create a PayPal account. And then platform number 3 is Payoneer, which works just like Wise, and I'll also put a link to it in the description below. Payoneer also allows you to have bank accounts in different countries. My recommendation out of all these 3 is go for a Wise account, because it's the most reliable and it's the best way to approach this. The way that you will be withdrawing your money is that you simply have that account, and then those accounts will give you an option once you have received the US dollars to connect to your local bank account. You simply connect it and then you send the money to your bank account. Now, here are a couple of tips to help you to incur less fees when you are withdrawing your money. Number 1, withdraw larger amounts less often. Don't try and withdraw every single day, but then just wait until maybe your amount increases and then you make your withdrawal. Because if you try to withdraw every single day, you're going to be charged various amounts, and then it can accumulate over time and become a lot of money. Then number 2, keep some savings in US dollars if you can. Don't always transfer your money to your bank account, because if you hold your money in US dollars for a while, after a while, the rand could maybe have dropped and then your US dollar becomes more valuable, which means that you are earning a certain amount today, but after a week or 2, the value is actually higher when you finally withdraw it. And then number 3, don't rely on just one platform. My recommendation is that you start off by signing up for a Wise account, but feel free to get all the other types, because Just in case, let's say, for example, something bad happens and your account gets closed, you still have got other ways to receive payments. Now, here's the truth. All the platforms that I spoke about today and all the methods, they 100% work. But if you want something that is more guaranteed to get you results fast, I'd recommend that you start digital products and start selling them to people who are based in the US. It's not a complicated process. You just need to follow 4 basic steps. You just need to find a digital product idea. Number 2, you turn that idea into an actual product like a PDF, a video course, or an audio file. And I can show you how to do that using AI. And then thirdly, you then put it on a website where people from the US can actually find that product. And then fourthly, you start marketing it. These are the 4 things that I teach people how to do in my 5-day challenge, with the last step that I show people of how to actually turn this into an active business that creates passive income for yourself and creates multiple streams of income. So that's what I teach people step by step in my 5-day challenge. The link is in the description of this video. It only costs $47 to sign up. But most definitely the price is going up in the next few weeks because the demand of people who keep signing up is really high. And people keep encouraging me to increase the price so that not too many people jump into this opportunity and it becomes flooded with just too many people. So use that as an opportunity for you to start earning income for yourself. Hey, and so far, if you liked everything that I've said in this video, do me a small favor and just show your support simply by hitting the like button. And I've noticed that lots of you guys watch my videos, but you're not subscribers. Please click the subscribe button. It helps me also as a YouTuber so that YouTube can recommend my content to more people and so that I can be able to help as many people as possible. And the next thing that you need to do also as well is make sure that you check out this video next because it will show you 10 AI tools that are working right now to help people to earn $100 online. Check it out right now and start making money for yourself.